It's your girl Amber Nicole. Thank you so much for stopping past my channel. If you are feeling this hair, please stick around for all the details of this gorgeous hair. Wait a minute. How about you guys go ahead and subscribe to my channel first? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'll wait. What are you waiting for? It doesn't cost you anything to subscribe. Go ahead and show your girl some love. Thank you so much for hitting that subscribe button. Let's get into the details of this hair. Hey guys, thank you so much for sticking around to find out the details of this hair. Today I'm going to be reviewing Valentino. She is by Freetress. The packaging is standard packaging, standard packaging, in the plastic, in the box. So you guys know that I like to do my unboxing with you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and open up her and we are going to see how she looks. Here we go. Okay, so here's the card for her. And I have her in the color Hot Cocoa, I believe. I'm not even sure now. Yes, I have her in the color Hot Cocoa. So I'm going to go ahead and try her on. It says that she has 5 inches of lace parting space. It is a lace front wig. And it does have some beautiful curls in it. Okay, Valentino, so I'm already feeling her because guess what, guys? I don't have to cut any lace off of this wig. As you saw, guys, this is straight out of the package. I do not have to cut any lace off the wig. This is the parting space that is in this wig. I'll hold it up so you can see it in the light. That parting space is actually amazing. The cap feels pretty sturdy. The hair is nice and soft. It has these pretty curls in this hair. Let's go ahead and see what's on the inside of her. So we do have 2 combs in her. In the front, 1 comb in the back, and then there is an adjustable strap inside of her. And I do believe that I purchased her between $15 and $18. I'm not quite sure. I will go ahead and leave that information right here so you guys will know how much it cost for me to purchase this beautiful wig. So let me go ahead and cut this other tag off of her and we're going to try her on. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and put her on. Yes, she is absolutely beautiful. As you can see, guys, that I put her on with you. So this is my first time seeing her. I love the color in this hair. This hair color is absolutely gorgeous. I love this Hot Cocoa color. I love the curls in her. I love how she is flowing on me. She seems to be about 18 inches. She stops right by my armpit. She's right at my armpit lip. Doesn't seem as though she will shed. And she probably really won't shed because I'm not going to have to pluck her because the parting space is nice on this. I'm not going to have to pluck her. And also we didn't have to cut any lace around the edges, so therefore she probably will not give us any shedding. It does not feel like she is going to tangle. As you can see, I'm rubbing my fingers straight through her. This is absolutely a gorgeous wig. I'm loving her. She's so pretty. So I don't feel like she will tangle, and I do feel like this will last you guys for a pretty good time. If you take care of it and put her back in the package and don't sleep in her, she will definitely hold up for a good amount of time for you guys. I'm definitely feeling her. I think she is a gorgeous unit, gorgeous unit. Yes, I will rate this hair. I'll give this hair an 8 out of 10. So we'll give her an 8 out of 10. And would she be on my repeat offender list? Yeah, I will purchase her again, but I will purchase her in a more neutral color. So either number 1, 1B, or number 2. Let me know what you guys are thinking about Valentino. I absolutely, the more and more I look at her, I love her. I think she is gorgeous. I love the way that she is flowing. She is so pretty. So I want you guys to go ahead and try her out and let me know what you think of this hair. Go ahead and leave me your comments down below. Let me know if this was a yes for you or no for you. I absolutely love this hair, so I want to hear from you guys. I want you to tell me what you think of the hair. If you are feeling my t-shirts that we are wearing in these videos, these t-shirts were created by my company, Lab Impressions. You can go ahead and go over to our website and check us out. All of that information will be listed below in the description box below. And make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel, comment, like, and share. I appreciate it so much. Thank you guys so much for watching. And remember, if no one has told you, you are beautiful, you are gorgeous, you are who God says you are. Many blessings. Hey guys, make sure you check me out on all my social media pages. All of that information will be listed below in the description box. And have you guys checked out my latest video? It's right there. Go ahead and click on it and check out my latest video and leave your comments and tell me guys how I'm doing or what you think.